afternoon everyone, I'm architect Sameena Aftab and we're back with Pavilion Estates house tour videos. Today we're in Phase 6 DHL Lahore to show you guys this one canal house with the modern elevation. So let's start the tour. So this is the porch of the house with this beautiful modern elevation in greys and black tones. You can park your cars here in this porch with this beautiful calligraphy on the wall. It's a wooden calligraphy. They've used an element of lighting. Very beautiful. It will look gorgeous in a night light. Here we have our small lawn. Very minimal landscaping with plants, and I like this particular corner the most. And I think we're going to go inside, but before that I want you guys to look at this beautiful pivot door with this handle, a very solid door. And all the door handles of this house are from Calais, and the door as well is from Calais. It's a designer door. Let's go inside. So this is the lobby of the house, and I'm going to start, before I show you all other things, I'm going to start with this drawing room. A very beautiful, small, cozy drawing room. You can host your guests here. We have a view directly towards the lawn. It's a very optimum space, usage ke lihaz se, and a very beautiful chandelier along with that feature wall that has our AC and our heater as well. It's an inverter AC. And now I will show you guys the dining room with wooden tiles and this textured wall. Very, very boho touch added to the rest of the designer house. I love the crystal chandelier and this beautiful painting. You can get your furniture here, and I think you would want to design it in a boho way. So right next to our dining room, like, we have direct access to the dining room from this kitchen. It's a designer kitchen, fully functional. We have everything installed, from our concealed cabinets to our pantry to a double door fridge, microwave oven, a hob, and a washer as well. So we have our laundry space here as well, and here is the dirty kitchen. Once again, fully functional with everything installed. And the kitchen is also directly accessible through this living room. So this is a very spacious living room. You can see the vibe here. We have our media wall with this beautiful panel, and we have two windows. One is giving us view towards outside, and this is more of a decorative window that is giving us view towards the lobby and the staircase. And here we're coming towards the private zone of this house. I want you to look at this mirrored decorative element along with memento pane and moldings, a very contemporary touch that's been added to the design. And here is the first bedroom of this house. So this bedroom has wardrobes, glass panel wardrobes hai sari yahan par. And here is the bed wall with very beautiful ceiling lights. And like, I just want you guys to look at this wall with cushioned paneling and moldings and the beautiful lights. And here is the bathroom of this bedroom. So all the bathroom tiles are from Calais, and the accessories are a mix of Calais and Rohe. And right here we have our next bedroom with very beautiful wooden paneling on the bed wall. I really like the wrought iron extension that they've added here. We have our window, one window in this bedroom, a very beautiful painting, all decorative lights are here. We have two decorative lights as well. And this is the beautiful bathroom. So as you can see, this house is unfurnished, but it's mostly The basic things have been installed here. I just wanted to add this part because I love the lights, especially the ones in the bedroom. The decorative lights game is to die for. And now, through this living room, we're back in the lobby. And one thing that I missed before, this is the powder room of this house. So we're once again in the lobby. You can see it's a double-heighted foyer. Very beautiful lights that I will show you from upstairs. But before that, I want you guys to focus on this beautiful window that is giving us natural light in the daytime. And बहुत ही खूबसूरत, especially in winters, very beautiful sunlight and natural light will accompany you in your own house. So let's go upstairs. Just look at the beautiful chandelier that you can see from the lobby downstairs as well. But I wanted you guys to have this particular view from this first floor living room. Once again, a beautiful chandelier in this living room as well. Like I said, the decorative light game is very strong in this house. So this is our very spacious first floor's living room with this media wall, a black console, and see there's enough storage space here. And right next to it, we have our kitchenette. We have grey cabinets. It's almost in contrast to the black ones over there, and very functional, very, very functional. And now I'm going to take you guys towards the first bedroom on first floor. So this is the first bedroom of this house. And once again, a very beautiful bed wall. We have a painting, wooden flooring used here, and I really like the ceiling. That's very minimal yet in a bunch of levels. It has like 3 levels to it, a profile light, and a very minimal and elegant touch to this entire room. And here is the bathroom. A huge space in my opinion. Very, very ample space for a luxurious bathroom. I love it. And here, lights that I was talking about before, this is the window that is giving us a lot of daylight. Honestly, I love this particular window so much, and these lights that are accompanying the vibe of this scene, I love it. So I'm going to show you guys the terrace next. So this is the side terrace of the house. It's once again, it's covered from the side since it's a side terrace. And we have a very beautiful ceiling accompanying the rest of this design. You can have your creeping plants with this ceiling. It will give such a nostalgic vibe, a very aesthetic vibe to this setting. We have planters, and like this is a step-up area. But now we're going to go back and I'm going to show you guys. So this is the second bedroom of first floor. Again, so much natural light in this entire house with all these windows. This is what will make the bed wall. Here will be the media wall. You can get your furniture here. The ACs are already installed. And I love the ceiling. And this is the bathroom. So here is the store of the house. And right here is the last, but most definitely not the least, bedroom of this house. So, like I said, once again, a beautiful bed wall, cushioned wall, but just look at the layers. The layers and the contours that they've added in this wall are just, it's like a 3-dimensional look that it's giving in this entire room. We have our bathroom over here. Once again, a grey bathroom. Here we have a small balcony attached to this room, and right opposite to it is where the terrace that we just saw is attached to this particular room. So I think that's about it. So this was the entire house, and I'm going to meet you guys downstairs once again. we're done with another house tour. Let us know in the comment section what part of the house was your favorite, and do give us the other feedback that you guys have. I'm architect Samin Aftab, and do subscribe to Pavilion Estates official YouTube channel. Press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we post a new video.